Superb downtown Audubon Park location and a horticulturist dream. Words alone cannot describe the comfort and beauty of the landscaping surrounding this home. Endless hours of time, energy, and patience have created a beautiful color palette for all to enjoy. This home offers a unique floor plan starting with a large front floor-to-room featuring big windows overlooking the side garden and opening up to the roomy living areas and additional family room. The dining room and adjacent kitchen offer instant access to a massive screened patio with a stunning garden view. Down the hall is the primary suite with wood built-ins, a large closet, and sliding doors opening to a brick patio with a garden view. The updated bath features all granite, a large walk-in shower, and pebble floors. The second bedroom, utilized as a den, features built-in storage and a large closet. Outside on the screened patio are 3 other rooms. The first is a workshop with a sink. The second is a large storage HVAC room, and the third is a greenhouse. As for the backyard,